Okay, it looks like we're live. So welcome back. Today I'm going to be continuing to work on Kano Shell. Yeah, it's been a minute since I've streamed. Sorry about that. I've been busy. Also, I haven't worked on Kano Shell in like a little over a week, I think. So I'm gonna have to refamiliarize. Alright, so continue to work on this, right? Let's go here to this branch. Yeah, so we're working on change the interface, right? To get rid of any external dependencies, right? So it's only the C standard library. And it was almost done. So the only issue was I was gonna resolve it last week, but then things have come up. I've been busy. So when we paste, right? So we grab this, then we paste it. Let's actually grab more. Then it doesn't, right? And then when we start typing, it doesn't fill properly, right? So that needs to be fixed, right? And what else? Also, I'd like Control C to not close the program, but instead like reset the thing, like how it would here, right? Alright. So yeah, so there's some weird issues with that. And I'll just try to figure it out this stream. It's not gonna be a super intense stream. I've been programming a lot recently, just not on stream. So I'm kinda, we'll see how it goes. Let's see. So it is when we paste up here, it's Control Y, okay. Um so it doesn't resize properly because of issues. Let's see. Right, so when we just type here, it inserts one character at a time, and then it can move properly, and it sets the column properly based on this, right? So we have the current column plus length of that plus 1, okay, divided by the current. So how does that work actually? Because that I feel like that could cause issues since we check the size of the shell prompt every time. Is it? Let me try that. Does it not work properly? So it'll work on the first row, but then the second row it will go to the next line early, right? That was kind of weird. Yeah, so that doesn't quite work either. Interesting. So this is wrong. This is wrong. And then we move here, right? So this moves to that plus 1 plus the column. Right. It's gonna be a lot of thinking because I gotta. So the length of that plus 1 plus the current column. Ignore that. Right, but we don't want to always do that, right? We only want to, if the row, yeah. If the row is 1, if row, well, if it's the 0th row, we want to do this. Else. So the number of columns is the size, right? I also want to move based on this, so we want to just get rid of this basically. So we do REPL column. I don't think we need the plus 1 today. Add that. Set. It gets a little messed up. And then we reload it. And okay, that doesn't work. So why does row go up there then? So row increase. Does it start at 1? Why do we set row equal to 1 here? Right, I don't remember how it all works, because again, I haven't looked at it in a minute. If you do enter, then it goes back to 1. Why does it do that? Interesting. Is row not the right thing? That should be the number of rows. Yeah, we go here. Oh, but okay. So the row doesn't quite work like that. So do we not have any way to track the current row? Because this row, it is, it's based on the current line, right? So that's why we do that. Right, so if it goes to the next line, then it goes like that. Right, okay, so we can get rid of that. I don't know why it does this twice, though. So the current column plus that, plus 1, divided by the current, okay, so divided by the current row is greater than the size. Then we move it 1, and then we also iterate the row. But where do we use row? Oh, we use row there. Okay, I'm stupid. Minecraft when? I'll do a Minecraft stream sometime. I gotta do a real coding stream though first. Because I haven't been doing many recently. So what does this do? Does this go? Oh, it goes to the 0th one. Okay, the first column. Right, that makes sense. Let's see. What should I do in Minecraft though? Like Hypixel or something else? This is how many lines it moves down. Right. And this one, we set the column, and we don't move it because it automatically moves. But then, Swordfish for real. Hypixel would be cool. True. Rebel column. Right. So what if we set the row? Like we iterate it by however many, but we don't actually display that, right? So we can just do row row plus equals. We'll actually want to do it before this, right? Rebel column. Current column plus rebel. Well, actually, we need it after, right? Rebel column. We have the clipboard count. We have the clipboard count, and then we can do mod rebel columns. Something like that. Hang on. So I got a text message. Give me 1 sec. Yeah, I'll do Hypixel. Okay. Let me try that. So then add to it, but it doesn't update. Great. All right, there we go. So if I do that and grab this, show them the recipe is true, I will do that. All right, and then okay, but then that doesn't quite update, right? Let me, yeah, I'll get the recipes. Hang on. So Stam, right? The Russian hacker. No, I'm just joking. He's been doing stuff with the deep web or whatever it's called, and he found these recipes, right? So normally, I don't know if anybody cooks, but if you look at recipes, then like on the regular web, it kind of sucks because like a lot of ads and then things like that, right? Yapping. But on the web, what the heck is this? I tried to open it and then it just did. It opened whatever that was. All right, so I can't do that. So I need to. Let's see if I can get it open. Hang on, Texan said something. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna have to download it. I have some server owner looking at me right now because I may or may not. Bro's cheating on the parkour server, bruh. Let's see. Can I download the image? Bro, why is it so hard to view it? Hacking is not good, actually. That one. There we go. Yes, here's the recipe. So let's go into full screen. I can do that. There we go. Okay, it's kind of hard to read. Can I zoom in here? Nope. Yeah. Let's see. So it's kind of cool, right? Because it's pretty concise and there's a lot of different dishes, right? Things that you wouldn't necessarily expect. So it's very cool. Hacking isn't just good, it's great. Sure. Alright, W recipes. Code copying, true. Ayo, how you doing, Cactus? Alright, so this didn't quite work because it doesn't read to the next row. So why doesn't it do that? Because we do iterate the row. So it's not iterate by a no. Do we have to do +1 actually? Could that be a thing? plus 1. So this should be order of operations initially on. Cheat together, true. Pretty well as any other cactus would do, true. And then, yeah, it still doesn't go to the next line, so, because it doesn't actually print that, but it should based on this anyway, right? Because we iterate the column by the correct amount. And then this should iterate the row by that amount. So it should trigger this, but it doesn't seem to. We don't really want to print this necessarily, because, yeah, because then it's going to go to the new line row. So we basically just want to update it, but not, like, update the state, basically, but then not actually apply the changes, if that makes any sense. Like if you use React, React.js, then they have the virtual DOM, and then there's the actual DOM, which displays things. So then you apply things to the virtual DOM, and then they build up over time before it gets applied to the actual DOM that displays things. So it's like that sort of thing, for the web developers. Writing a simple tool, W. The virtual dog, true, that's what I said. It's going to allow me to cat files, and some specific ones are going to be rendered with styling. So I'm using NeoVim as, okay, so using NeoVim as note-taking app in school. All right, W, converter and renderer. Let me open that up right here. W star, okay, image. Also want it to be able to convert files into different files, so it's just what it's going to do. All right, cool. Set of tools that is easy to use and allows you, can I open this here? Allows you to render some specific file formats, such as Markdown and HTML. W can also convert files from one format to another. Tool is written on Arch Linux and is not guaranteed to work on Windows. All right, based. Or any non-Unix-like systems. All right, W. Here's a list of the available commands. Renders the file contents. Okay, cool. Apply styling and color. So is it in the, it's in the CLI then? So that's interesting how it would display that. Dancing, yeah, sorry about that. There's a lot of loud stuff. I apologize. How'd you know it was that song? Fully CLI. All right, that's pretty cool. Does it work now? Like, how much does it work? I should try it. Converts file into a different file format. All right. PDF. Okay, PDF would be cool. Let me try it out. Yeah. 17 commits. I'll open a new section for this. It's C, right? Okay, good. You can render Markdown with styling. Okay. So I can render the there we go. Build it. Unused variables. You should get rid of those. Alright. Textify. And I can render the okay, W. Let's compare. Textify, okay. This. Alright, so this doesn't work, but that makes sense, right? Images are images, so. And then, okay. Pretty cool, and then I like that. Yeah, it actually works pretty good. That's cool. That's pretty cool. The links can be called contributing. And that's it for now. Alright, W. Do you parse it using est? We can look at it. Source. I'll use K. It's better than K. Alright. Markdown gets parsed as it is. Switch over RC. Alright, cool. Not enough arguments. Actually looks not good. Let's open Tmux. Okay, yeah, so I think we just go to the render. Alright, so let's start. I forgot what it actually called. Let me open two things here. Let's see, so what is it called? So show is parsing. Yes, I'm going to show it. Hang on. So renders. Let's work through it. Render. Alright, right here. Get file extension. Alright, we can figure out what that means. And then render, markdown, render HTML. So I'm assuming that HTML is not quite implemented yet. Else return render text. Alright, let's do render markdown. So where is that? Render markdown. Alright, right here. I'm blind. Read entire file. Okay, so is it just into a character? Yep, alright. That makes sense. Byron Ramlaw, W. Instead of for HTML, I think I may want to create some kind of AST to autocomplete tags. Right, that makes sense. That makes sense. That's going to be interesting to render in the terminal. Up does not equal that. Interesting. Switch over that. So it iterates through. I see. Up equals universal pointer double. UPP plus plus. Let's see, level 1. Alright, so this is like bold stuff. Alright, that's it's a pretty straightforward way of doing it. I see. A lot of stuff here. I'm not very good at markdown, so let's look at the raw file. Can I see that code? There we go, W. So we can compare. Right, so that'd be like a heading. And alright, what about if there's a star? Where's that at? Right here. Okay. Start stars. End stars. Oh, I see. Okay. So different ones make it bold or italic or whatever. Stars. Stam. Stam star. Okay. Right. Yes, that makes sense. That's pretty cool. So that's for like links. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. As Mr. Stammed say it. True. Oh, underscore? I didn't know underscore was the same as stars. That. What is that for? I don't know what that's for. This is like a code block. Alright, W. This is very cool. I like it. That is a quote. Okay. I did not know that. W. Very cool project. How do I quit? There we go. Yes, I'll put the... Well, I guess you already put the link in the chat, so that's good. W. Let's see what we've got here. So, I forgot what I was doing. 8+1. We don't want to actually move the curve. Right, we're talking about React. React JS. React JavaScript. But then when we start typing... Right, so we do ensure the capacity properly, so that's good. And we move this and all that, and we do this, and then we do that, and we look here, and we iterate that. Right, so that's weird stuff there. Check out Shard. Is Shard coming along good? I can look at it here. Shard, I'll have to find it. Shard language. Let's see, can I find? I'm gonna have to pull it up over here. Shard org. Shark. Alright, W. Last month, so it's quite active. Is there... Are they doing stuff here? No. So nothing's going on anywhere. Have you been working on it, Mr. Stammond? Right here? Oh, I didn't know that's your profile picture. W? No, so nobody's been working on it. It sucks. W? W sucking. Pause. Yeah, I'm not gonna look at the code of that. I'm not gonna read some Rust. I'm good. Shard worst tutorial, wow. Most exciting part is gonna be PDF parsing. Never parsed it before. Okay, W. JK, Shard is amazing. Sending some mixed messages. Yeah, PDF parsing, that's interesting. I've never really tried that before. Very interesting. Because HTML and Markdown, they're kind of straightforward. But PDF has a lot of other stuff going on, so. That'll be pretty freaking cool. JK Rowling. Let's see. So it doesn't iterate the row properly. it's not. So why doesn't it, why does it not do that? Can you do that? Ooh, that's a good point. We should try it out. Let's try it out. Sorry, there, you hear that loud noise in the background. Let's just copy it. Copy paste. We to test that. Freaking bin. I hate it. Anno editor. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try it. Yeah. Okay. So it doesn't work. Does not work. Yes. Womp womp. Let's get rid of all this. All right. What about I guess that's really the only way to work. How does what is that? Like it's already bold, right? But if you do the italics, how does that work? I don't really know how it all works. Womp womp doesn't work. Doesn't work either on GitHub. So maybe it's just not a feature of Markdown. Can you read the Markdown specs? Is there an official one? Let's see. So, what is going on? So it does this, but it doesn't does this, right? Oh shoot, is it because it triggers this before? What if we need this after? Yeah, so it doesn't work. Okay. Let's type a lot. Implementing an AST builder of can be. Oh, Markdown basic syntax. Okay, W. Right, so I don't think that really made a difference. So I think I was not onto something. Bro thought he cooked. Let's look at this. Markdown syntax. Kind of all over the place. That's all right. Okay, W. This is very bright. Flashbang. Haven't started yet. Okay, W headings. You can use. Oh wait, what? I didn't know this was a thing. No way. I don't know anything about Markdown. Do this, don't do this. I think I've done this before. That turns into token tilde. Yeah, so that's like a lexer, right? I remember cplots. Yes, that you lex it and then you parse it, right? Where you go through and you build out the AST based on the tokens. Yes, I do recall this, I think. Yeah, you shared this with me when you were working on it. Or maybe not. Lexing, yeah, Lexing pretty easy. Yeah, we love Lexing. Lexing go did. This was C++. Alright, maybe I didn't look at this. Maybe I had something else. Let's see. I remember you were talking about it though. You were reading the book. Okay, I've never done this before. Okay, cool. Replacing with enum variants. Basically. And like collecting strings and things like that. Really like Markdown. Okay, cool. Thanks for that. That causes problems. Yeah, I didn't know any. Like, that you have to do it specific ways. Or it can cause problems. Cplox thing only converts source code into tokens, which it doesn't get converted into AST nodes. Bruh, got bored by the project and trashed it. In many such cases. I just love bold text. Yeah, I didn't know you could do this. I didn't know that was a thing. Love is bold. Wait, why don't do this? Why even have it if it doesn't work? If you're not supposed to do it. Interesting. There's a lot of stuff here. First thing, oh, I read that. So when a string begins, you do string collection equals true and ends. Yes, but also you gotta handle escapes and things like that, right? It's not like hard, but I mean, it's more intricate than that. Bold in italic. Very cool. Yeah. I'm not gonna read any more of this. Very cool. Who cares about escapes? Real. Who needs escapes when you can just not escape? Okay, triple column. Wait. When does it go to the new one? Does it never? Oh shoot, is it broken? Does it get broken in the video? Okay, but if I just type, a lot of typing. Cactus card, true. That goes to the new one. So why does it just completely die? Something is it iterating the column too much? Do we do it twice or something? That could be an issue, perhaps. If I print that standard error, that will call. That's not how you do that, is it? I've been running Python. Okay, reload, and I have to do this. Okay, what was I doing? Oh yeah. So does it just get really big? No, that seems reasonable, based on the size. Like, what's the width here? That's like 100, close to it. Yeah, so I think that's about right. So I don't think that's the issue. Why else would it be doing that though? Triple columns, that's the current column. Oh shoot, but we have to also take into account the rows, right? So we have to divide by rows. Right, so that could be, okay. That could be a big part of the issue. So let's try that. Still doesn't work. But yeah, I think that was at least some of the issue. Cactish. Oh wait, shoot, I didn't read. Okay, watched a video of two Google Chrome developers which explained a little bit about how the HTML parser works, and it's a very painful thing. I actually had some experience with ASTs in the shard team. W. Let's call it Cactish. Wait, what is this? Where are you replying to? How do I click on it? Oh, I see. Okay. That was just very delayed reply. W. Markdown dialect. Yes, I see now. Right, so that's some of the issue. Right, so the row is too much, and then we're dividing by too great of an amount. Plus equals that, and let's think about how that would work. So that'd be, if that was like 200, current row is 2, so it's 100, and then multiply by the number of calls, which is 90, right? So then that'd be, actually I don't know if that's right. Yeah, so that's iterating it by too much still. So I think we need to do instead. Well, how do we do that? Ron and I were starting to work on a Lichess 2e, but it's no pulls, bro. Really time consuming and production unreachable. Right, that makes sense. Many such cases. Imagine making API calls in C. Real. Imagine. Imagine using C and not JavaScript. Right, so this is wrong. This is wrong. Libcurl, imagine. Keck W. Hate libcurl. Real. I don't know if I've ever used libcurl. Let me think about that. So the number of columns there. So what if we change it around, right? I'm trying to think of what the proper thing for this would be. Right, so if that's like 200, and then we mod that, so it'd be like, it wouldn't be over that, and then we divide by the row. I don't think that's right, but I suppose I will try. Okay, okay. A lot of stuff going on. Who cares about LibCro? Real. Pra approved of it. Well, if Pra approves, then I approve. Okay, what is this? What is this? Let's take a look. My own hit. Oh yes, of course. Mr. Zozen. W Zozen. Excuse me. Goat. Right. I think I watched this one. I mean, I've watched most of his videos, but is this it? I should watch this again. I watched it a long time ago. I'm hit. Yes. Based. Extremely based. Mr. Zozen. Should we do a Mr. Zozen reaction stream? Just a short video. Short reaction stream. Bruh. This is very stupid. Stupid comment. I don't like. Nice jump, Google. Oh yes, I already know what this is. What the heck is this comment? No, no what? No reaction stream? I can do whatever I want. Is this true, Stam? Can you confirm? W's over. Yeah, I need to, I'm gonna bookmark this video. Hang on, give me a second. I gotta watch it again. Gotta watch it again. Bookmarked. Done. Alright, sorry about that. Got distracted. So, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? Actually, could that happen? I should print out the row. Let me print that out. And you'll see what it's looking at. Standard error. Yeah, there we go. Do that. Load and base. Let's see how the row improves as we do that. Okay, so it goes up a lot. So obviously that's not right. So if we divide it by row. Is that all that we need to do? Well, okay. Let me think about that. Might be it. Right, so we have the row is 200. We divide it by whatever the current row is, or the current column is 200. See, but that's not right. That's adding too much. And then if that is there, well, that'd be right? But then if it's that just goes out to that. Right, but then that's too much. So we need to trying to think. Is the shell gonna have piping, or is it only gonna run program? Yeah, it's gonna have that. Yeah, it should. Like, so the plan is to make it POSIX compliant, right? So it can do any of that stuff. It can run the shell scripts and things like that. Is it gonna replace KanoScript? No, it will not do that because it's sort of a different thing. KanoScript is sort of a real language, and this is a shell language. Okay, on backend, yes, it is better than JavaScript for backend. It's going to have the shortcut feature as true. It will have that. That's in the issues. We'll get to that though. That's the wrong thing. We'll get to that. I gotta figure this out first because I can't even render the text. So if you can't render the text, then you can't do anything else. So, you know? Right. So, how do we do this? How do we do this? So we want to do it by the right amount. What the sigma? Feature will be a free, easy stream for COD because the implementation is probably easy. Perhaps it could be. W easy implementations. We think this would be easy as well, but I think I might just be stupid. Current column, divided by the row. So the row is like 2, right? And then we want that, but then that's still too much. I want to add 1 for each amount that it goes over that. So trying to think, right? So if we have the row, so we'll just say that's the current column. So that'd be 2 lines down. And then we want the width. But we also need to take into account the current row. Who needs text when you can feel the electricity go in your veins? True. I don't know what that means, but yes. What did he mean by that? So that's the number of columns, right? So we do that, and that is 0. It had to be the other way. Right. So we do that. So then it becomes too much. So how do we do this? We do like wall. Fill the ones and zeros as electric output of your PC when you write a command to the shell. I see. That's quite interesting. And then just do it. Okay. That is something. I think there was a way to shorten it and not use a loop, but I don't want. Okay, W, and then do this. Okay, that was pretty good. And what if we go all the way? Yeah, okay, W. That seems to work. Huh, what, heh, or he. Very, very interesting commentary by you guys. Okay, we don't want O, we can give it O. That feels like it could be working. So I'm gonna commit this. I'm gonna commit that. Replace C, and then commit. What's the issue with that's why it's not with the rendering properly. Something like that. We'll push that there. Find all possible combinations of U and H in a 3-letter long word. No. Do this for woo. Ooh woo. Ooh woo. Oh well. Real. Okay, yes, I want to try, let's try. We need to write some tests for this, for we. This is pretty much the last thing though, and then it's ready to merge. He said it. Can you believe this? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try running with this valve. And just run that. I just want to see if this causes some sort of issues, right? Most base streamer in the universe. True. Yeah, load whenever you're ready. Whenever you feel like it. No rush. There we go. Fine. Okay. What? What the heck is that? Did it invalid right? Okay, so we do have an invalid right, but also what the heck is that? Is this? I swear it was just. It was not. It's not doing it. Just a second. What the heck? Are we cooked? It was not. It was just not doing that. What the heck? Wait, what happened? Wait, what? What? Oh, shoot, it's because I'm still printing. Okay. That's what the issue is. Alright, so I'm just stupid. Because I was not redirecting the output. Okay. Let's try that again. It still had the invalid red, so we'll see what that is. Alright, let's take a look at the out file. Oh, now there's not. Okay, cool. So, it has something to do with that. I'll keep blocks for free. No, look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, so I'm gonna say that's good. I think there's some way to do it with math, but I am too stupid for that. Pretty much ready for pull request. I don't know how to do that yet. I might want Sigma to look over it first. He said that. Okay, okay. We got the clip. We got the clip. Hang on, I gotta pre-watch it before I show it on stream. Even though I said it on stream, but that's fine. Is the stream dead? Wait, did the stream die? Wait, are we cooked? Mentioned a new the rock. Double. It just went out. The bitrate went out, but now it's back. I don't know what happened. Okay, okay, wait. Here, we got it. Let's go. Let's turn the sound on. Okay. W the rock. U and H in a 3-letter long word. No. Do this for woo. Ooh woo. Is the sound not synced? That's kind of weird. I said it though. You could hear it. Sorry, there's screaming in the background. Sorry about that. It's dying but slowly. Now it's okay. Yeah, I don't know what happened. It just went out for a second. It should be fine now. Is the audio not synced up, or was that just the clip? Because in the clip it was very off. Right. Well, let me look at this control C though, because I would rather have that. Not that. Do we not have a control C? Where's that hand? Oh, yes, control. No. Wait. Sync both in the clip. Well, it wasn't for me, so I don't know what that's about. Sad the rock W. Right. It's like you have that sound playing it. You can create them if you do the thing, the bit things. Let me see here. Modify a single emote. I can do it for free. Let's do JavaScript. Let's make it cool JavaScript. All right, check that out. Check that out. Look at that. Oh, what the heck? I got scanned. There we go. Okay. Now I got it. Bam. I have unlimited points, so I can do that. Where's the control? So that just actually exits. So we want to handle that differently. Can we do that? Right. So just exits by default. But what if we don't do that? How does this work? So buff1 equals the, then set it to that. Right. I don't know a lot about how this works because Sigma did all this stuff. So what is this? What is this? Can we just add one for control C? Let's do control C. And for now, what if we just C, right? Or is it still gonna exit? Because I'm not sure. Not sure. Yeah, it still exits. Okay. So it might be cooked. Instead of making Cobb make push-ups, you the rocked him. Reconsider true. Yeah, so I don't know how that's gonna work. So how do we grab that? See how we read control plus C. What is this? Turn something like that. Yeah, right here. This is exactly what I need. Thank you, Google. Use signal. A lot of stuff. Once every half year. SJ, W, WSJ. Here, let me make something. Let's see, what can I do? I could make myself do 100,000 push-ups if I wanted to. Let's see, how about Arch, by the way, and let's make it thinking. All right, bam, look at that, beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful. How do I send it? It does not want me to send it. There we go, double. Thinking Arch, by the way. I don't know that you can actually... Oh, you can see it. It does render properly. That's cool. On the... that thing over here. Imagine doing that. Wait. Let's try that out. Hang on. Modify the rock. Let's make him thinking. So he's double... And it looks like he's picking his nose. How did you read control plus any key before? I don't know. Because Sigma implemented all that stuff. It might be through signal stuff. Let's see. We need to get rid of the use readline stuff because we're not using that anymore. So these are alternative keys. Handle shortcuts. What is that called? Similar carrying how true. I mean, I would have figured it out, but where does the C get read? So it reads, yeah, okay, so it just reads there. Just reads from that. Yeah, but we need to do this stuff, so. I'll have Sigma do that, because, I was gonna have him do this that I did today, but I did it instead, so. He's been busy, though. So we haven't gotten a lot of work done recently. Do the is running condition first. Why? So it's faster? Is that why? More logical. Who cares? It just gets optimized anyway, probably. We could test that. We should try it. Alright, well, let's do, what is it? Something like that. We're gonna see if it becomes the same thing. What optimizations do we use? We use O2, so it's pretty much high down. So it probably gets optimized out. It doesn't matter. So let's make a similar thing. So, let's just pass is running. Let's not do it like that. It's running. And then we'll also have, and then if, okay. Compilation failed. Why? Oh, because of this. It's not for that. What is this? Probably chars become bits. Well, yeah, well, they are. It's just integers. Alright, so let's see how they differ. Alright, it just does the same thing. We just do one actually. Test. What else do you have to pass? I forget. That's it. Okay. So it doesn't know what ready, so I have to include that online. Well, can I do that? Equally fast. Well, we can just see. I think it compiles to the same thing. You have optimizations. So essentially, let's comment that out. We need multi-line comments. So we have this. So let's just go. So what does it do here? I forgot simply how it works. We move that. Move both of those. String comparison. Where is string comparison? We don't have any string comparison here, so move. Right, yeah, but I think it's the same thing. I forgot how to read that entirely. Let's comment this out. No, just saying. Okay. Yeah, it looks to be the exact same thing to me. And let's see, we don't even have any. How much does it change if we do that? Oh, it just doesn't do anything because we don't return any methods. Return. Otherwise, return 0. JS uses strings for args and stuff instead of enums. True. It iterates every time over one of these strings to compare them. W JavaScript. That's actually super based. Just one get. So we do bits. Yeah, so it looks like it compiled or it optimizes to the same thing. Let's see, can we do that? What if we get rid of that? A lot of stuff going on here. Audio is falling off. Why? Is it getting quiet, or what do you mean? I might be too far away. Happens sometimes. How so? Like, what do you mean falling off? Is behind. Ooh, that's not good. I can't do anything. I can't do anything about that. Hang on, hang on. Maybe try refreshing, just to make sure it's not on your way. Yeah, because otherwise, like, the only way I could fix that is restarting the stream. Yeah, it's very cool. All right, cool stuff. I'm glad we did that. Doesn't matter anyway. True. It's all meaningless. Wait, do you have to? No, you don't. Okay, cool. Need to stop it. Okay, W. Right. Okay, what about Control Z? Awesome. Very cool. Thank you for that. What is with this? I don't use Google. Why are there? Why is it so big? It gets in the way. It's too distracting. Love how website spoof already having become dark theme. True. Imagine that. Yeah, what is that? Like, why is it so big? It takes up too much space. You could fit way more links on it. This kind of sucks. Yeah, so we gotta do stuff. Nope. I just read that. Yeah, I'll probably go pretty soon. Because I finished what I wanted to do, and now I didn't plan. I thought it would take longer. So, you know. Yeah, so obviously Control C needs to work different. So we'll have Mr. Sigma do that. The goat. Brave Search didn't help. Didn't help what? What do you mean? I can do it on Brave Search. Sometimes I just go to Google because sometimes the results are not good here. Of course. I don't know. Like, I thought we already had that set up. Initialize. If. Alright, so if we don't do that, we do this. What are the settings? And if, and then we do this always. Right, settings. Right, echo. Wait, so that's the same thing. Sigma, yes, that is, Sigma Magnificent is also working on this project right here, this fella. Welcome back, Cactus. Love how Brave AI doesn't work as a self-absorbed and centralized system, but instead summarizes the results of the search. True. It's pretty good. Sometimes it kind of sucks, but other times it's actually really good. I kind of like it. It's better than the Google AI, I think. What the Sigma? True. Oh, wise words. Sigma. Sigma balls. Same thing as Google Gemini. Gemini. Is it? Does it use that? I thought it was a specific to Brave thing. Read that. Right. So what else do we have to do? So we have the Control C, and that's pretty much it, I think, for just the interface. When it works enough, I think we're ready to merge and get rid of all of the stupid read line stuff, because we don't want that anymore. No more read line. Still trying to read Control C? No, I'm not doing that now. I'm not going to do that. At least not today. I'm going to go pretty soon. Use the Brave AI isn't wrongfully discarding regular internet queries and using AI instead because it uses the websites. Yes, W. Based Brave. W Brave. Yeah, I'm just kind of reading stuff now. What else? What else? Yes, that's pretty much it. So we have, well, we don't have all of these, do we? Well, we have that. I think we do have all of these. So we don't have this one. These are obviously independent of that, so that's fine. Yeah, so it's pretty much ready, if I'm not mistaken. We can get rid of this use read line stuff. And that's pretty based, I think. And then we're ready to do cool stuff. Because we spent a lot of time on the interface, because originally I was using end cursors. And then there was obvious problems with that. And then I moved to read line, and now we're writing our own. Character AI. I don't know what that is. Is this a joke? A joke of some sort. Do I have to sign in? Oh, it's like the characters talk to you? Mistral, ChatGPT, Brave Search, Ang, Gemini. Meant and. AI overrated and is falling off. Very true. Let's see. Can we have, is there a soda? Let's see here. Do we have one? What the heck is this? I can't even search without having an account? Oh, Cactus, of course. Gen Z. I can't do anything without an account. Wait. Right? A Python program to print. Good. No. Hello. Hello, Cactus. I got you baited. Human intellect is also falling off. So that's true. Okay, hang on. Do I want to create an account for this? Because I want to try this. Because this would be kind of cool. I kind of like this idea. Theo went true. We should do a Theo reaction stream. W Theo. I don't really use. I use ChatGPT sometimes, not very often. Jippity like Skippity, yes. It's actually Skibbity's cousin. Skibbity toilet. Jippity toilet. You're in you around 4 years ago. Wow. Very cool. Chat Skibbity? Okay. Wait, that's gotta be a thing. Chat Skibbity. Okay, actually that's not gonna. I don't know if I should open this. Like, what if it's do I? It's making noises. It talks. Hang on, it talks. Whoa. It's talking. Wait, this is very off topic, but hang on. Hello.
You're not one of the good people, are you?
This is Skibbity Toilet. Wait, say Skibbity.
Skibidi toilet.
Okay. This is the greatest thing I've ever seen. What should we have it say?
Subscribe to Cub Coding on YouTube.
You heard it here first. Hello, how you doing? Astronaut Cactus. Heard of him.
I've heard of him, but I'm not sure
This is very
who
stupid.
he
Alright,
is.
no more of that. Hang on. Chat GPT. Right. Is there a rapper? That's what we're trying to figure out. What is this? AI caught in 4K. What kind of voice Alvin, what kind of voice acting is Alvin from the Chipmunks doing, bro? This is some old thing because it has access to that. So cool. Yes, very high quality programming content. Wait, hang on, wait, let me get that Skibbity thing back, actually. I need to ask it an important question. Can I have Skibbity Toilet tell me how to program?
Bruh. Skibidi.
Okay, stop talking. Wait.
I am a toilet. I do not know how to read Control+C or Temios. H. You're welcome, but may I ask you a question?
Ask you about it. Gen A slang. True.
Why are you asking me, a toilet, for programming advice?
Okay, I don't like this. Lunatic. Okay. Change your... Yes, alright. I see. I recognize your name from Discord, yeah. W. Wait, I need to ask about Jen. So, here. Do you have W big? Alright, this is very, very stupid. Hang on. AI research. True.
I am not familiar with the
Gaslighting
term
chat
WRIS,
No, I'm good.
but if it is something related to the internet, then yes, I have WRIS only in Ohio.
Okay, no more of that. I think we're done with that now. We can't even answer programming questions. That sucks. What kind of skibbity toilet is this?
Did you
Did you disrespect skibbity toilet? Alright, we gotta watch it. We gotta watch it. Chat?
disrespect Skibidi Toilet?
Yes, I did. But
Is there a swear word in there?
you don't understand.
Why? Why did you do this?
He just has Elriz.
He's a Sigma. You don't think he's a Sigma?
Mike.
You stopped watching YouTube shorts. Now you have a Riz. You aren't even a Sigma.
I'm an even bigger Sigma.
Skibidi Toilet is the alpha. He is more Sigma than anyone.
Not bigger than me.
Cap. Skibidi Toilet mogs you.
No, he doesn't. Aiden Ross and Kai. Sneak both ratioed him.
Okay. Interesting. Hang on. Watch it again. No, I'm good. You can watch it. Wait. What is the strawberry test? Oh, count the number of R in strawberry? Wait, really? I cannot. Can I use it without logging in, please? Please? Because I'm not... Oh, yes. Alright. How many R's are in the word straw? I can't even type. Oh, 3 occurrences. That's right. Probably because it's a large amount of lots of garbage and jokes are made. True. Wait, but this worked. And what if you tell me it's wrong? That is wrong. Does it say no? What the heck is this? Wait, look at how it highlighted it. Bro. Strawberry. Latex works on chat. I don't know how to do latex. No, I don't want to sign up. See what you mean. There it is. 4, and you believe that now. How many occurrences of R in the word strawberry? I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay, W, we got it. Ladies and gentlemen, we got them. There's 4 lines, true. Yeah, I gotta go pretty soon. I think we're up to date. Here, W, no? What is the difference? Oh, right, because we changed that. Let's fix that. Date. Update. Logic 2. Show the same thing. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. No skibbity toilet chat? No. Sad the rock. Okay. Yeah, so now we can actually work on built-ins. So that'll be cool. Pretty cool. And we gotta set variables and stuff. And also I have to finish Kano script before December. Right, because we got... Doesn't have it here. Can I just grab this and do... Right, because Advent of Code is this December, and I want to do it in Kano script. Pass the art test now. No way. Easy. True. Streaming Skibidi Tour. That's a good idea. What the heck? Yeah, gotta get this done so I can use it for Advent of Code. Yes, because that'd be cool. We've got a month to figure it out. Turing complete already. Well, I did. I think it's kind of broken now, but I did write rule 110, a working example of it in Kano script. So yes. Kano to Skibidi Toilet win. That's a good idea. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing this. Hopefully it's ready because I wanted to do that. That's kind of part of the reason I started it. To use Kano and Kano script for Advent of Code. AOC soon. Can't wait. Can't wait. So I'll probably stream it the next day. Yeah, I remember doing it last year. I did 10 days of it, I think. It was fun though. Some of it's kind of tedious. And on the 10th, yeah. I probably wouldn't do all of them this time either. It's too many. Too much. They get kind of hard. Get kind of hard. Yeah, so Kano's good. There's some issues with this. I need to figure it out. It's really broken. Also, I need to replace this with mine. Because I used this before I implemented a hash map. And now I use that. So I need to fix that. So there's no external non-my dependencies that are not made by me. This time for real, this time for real, this time for real, this time for real. Have some built-in types. What do you mean? In here? I don't know what you mean. Yes. Yeah, well, I don't know what you mean by built-in types. I'll be doing AOC on Rust. That's very cringe. Very cringy. Imagine I need to install Visual Studio on my school PC. Bro. Visual Studio? Skull emoji L-raise. Very true. Only in Ohio. Last time to get the output. Yeah, I think, I think. No, wrong one. I think that was on day 5. Or it was one of the early days. Why is it like this? Where's day 5? Yeah, it was this, because there's a map, and you have to convert them all. And then there was the day 2 part of it. And you had to convert it, and there was a specific way you were supposed to optimize it, but I just brute forced it. Use a VM and don't board up your laptop. Well, he's got Windows on already. I hate Visual Studio. It's the worst thing ever. It's the worst thing ever, probably. I don't know if there's anything worse than it. Like Visual Studio Code, it's kind of bad, but it's also like I see why people use it. But Visual Studio, it's like built around Windows and the way that a lot of people have to use it, but it sucks so much and it's not good. I'd rather use the JetBrains or whatever it's called. That one. Doesn't allow you to install Linux. First assignment on AOC 2023 is basically hard, only for those who think 2 iterations are required for 1 line. True. Usually the first day is very easy. Visual Studio is the bloatware more than JetBrains. Visual Studio Code is just Gen Z editor. True. Real Gen Alpha-ers use Vim. Use Vim and Kano, like cool people. Scam. True. Yeah, so Visual Studio cringe. Visual Studio Code is also cringe. And then Emacs, Vim, and Kano are based and red-pilled. They'll scam me. True. True. I'm glad there's a lot of programming down this stream. You guys start your own projects. Jail your Windows. Even if I'm not connected to the school network, there's a bloatware called antivirus, which doesn't allow me to use translate. Bro. What the heck? Got a secret. Okay. What's the scene? Let's pop out the chat. Let's do a pop out, even though it's already on the screen, but that's fine. And I pressed the wrong button. All right, W chat. Very big. Let's see. Kill the process before opening any web page. Doing a real cat versus AI cat. NN. What does NN mean? What? And I can't uninstall it even though I'm the root. Bruh. Can I confirm? Because I'm halfway through. Sounds like a skill issue, Cactus. Uninstalling it. Oh, a neural network? Wait, really? Wait, so what does that mean? So it's like recognizes them? Like if one's generated by AI and one is real? Like images? Is that what it is? AI cat. What if instead of having the like core utils, like the GNU ones, like cat and ls and stuff, it was just ran through an AI to produce all the output? Wouldn't that be cool? Yum 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 yum. Scraped AI cats and they're unrecognizable from real cats. Really? Whoops. Wait, what? Why I pressed the wrong button? Stupid Brave. Look. Twitch chat in Kano confirmed. Can you believe it? Look at that. It's beautiful. Look at this. Alright, I got distracted. Want to see if my neural network... What are you using for the neural network? Is it in Rust? Are you writing in Rust? This is on your GitHub, actually. Let's see. We have it here. Yeah, W. AI Malik. AI is odd, and it's time for AI cat true. JavaScript for scraping? I don't know what Keras is. I think I knew what it was at one point. Is it in here? I don't see it in here. It's not on Git, not on GitHub. Imagine using JavaScript. And that's kind of cringe. No repo yet. Bruh, hurry up on that. I think this is probably the best way to read the chat. There we go. Cooked. What is this? I don't care. Go away. Let's put it over here so the chat is over the other chat. I mean, yeah, double chat. Funny enough, it stopped scraping at exactly 8,190 new cats. Interesting. That's the limit of JavaScript cats. 2 to the power of 13, W. Too even of a number. Sus. Sus on your face. School PC I use actually has a Windows subsystem for Linux, and there's no official art support, so I'm forced to use Ubuntu. Well, that's still better than Windows. Better than, I mean, you know, it's under Windows, but allow that. Has the most fricked package manager. True. Well, I don't know about that necessarily. There's some bad ones. But it's not great. Arch is the best. Arch just goated in every way. I love Arch. This term specifically. It didn't just take the one. Okay. Fricked package. Having to use Windows inevitably. Windows loaded no matter what you. Very true. Very true. True words. Need to rewrite the kernel to debug. That's a good idea. No, hang on. Wait. Pause. I need to find a tweet. A tweet. An X post. From Mr. Zozu. About Windows, actually. Let me see. Okay, W, the C programming language. Sorry. You don't know what I'm talking about. Windows. Let's see if I can find it. Windows. Yeah, here we go. I think I can open it here. System needs to go true. Yeah, no idea why Windows still think Microsoft should just turn it into a Linux distro with Wine as standard library, dump a shysta load of money on the Wine devs to deal with all of that, and stop wasting. Yes, that's a good idea. See, you said that and reminded me of this, so I think that's a good idea. So Microsoft should do that. I stopped reading. Based words, true. Shysta overload. But monopolies are based. Based. Endeavor OS. Can I copy the link? Bam, bam, bam. Oh yeah, Endeavor OS. I know about that. Oh, it didn't even load. Okay, W. This. I think it's because. Hustling. Oh wait, I shouldn't have opened this probably because there could be some bad stuff. What? I've never heard of this before. You shiesty. Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting. Alright, I gotta go pretty much. Pretty much gotta go. Pretty much I gotta go. Mostly fake, true. American not knowing American? What's American? I'm gonna get an American flag and hang it up right behind me. A giant one, like a really big American flag. Hang on. Hold up. Amazon. Get on Amazon, like a big one, you know? Very large. So everyone knows that I'm American. How big is this? 3x5? That's not big enough. Alright, this looks pretty big. 6x10. $75. I'll find a cheaper one than that. But yeah, something like this, you know? And just hang it up right behind me. Not on a pole, obviously, just on the wall. Like, nail it to the wall. That'd be pretty cool. The Ramones' coat of arms is inspired by one of the U.S. No. Ramones. What is their coat of arms? I don't know what this means. Oh, this? Oh, yeah, okay. I haven't seen this before, I don't think. Or at least not really paid attention. Stam, it's over 100,000, probably. 100,000 million minutes. Real American band, very based. Based in Red Pill. This is how Zoding used to have his chat. Kind of like this, I think. While he did the streams. The only band in my play. Bro, that's crazy. What the heck? You could say someone. Say something else to Linus. Are you talking about Linus Torvalds? Get an immediate answer. I'd like to know what he thinks about Skibbity Toilet. I think that's probably what I'd ask. He's a Sigma, yeah. He's probably got Skibbity rays. Probably. What's some other terms? He probably paid the Phantom tax. Skibbity, no, raise, not race. He won the Skibbity race. Alright, I gotta go. So, yeah. Let's see. Close this. And bam. Alright. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.